right, here we are at the Rimpy house for science hour. Grandma was kind enough to send us a science book with a bunch of experiments in it. We're going to try one out here. Rockwell is holding two balloons. One is full of air and the other is full of water. Daddy's holding a lighter, and we're going to see what happens when we put a flame to each one. Rock, hold the water balloon with the air up, and let's see what the flame does to this. Whoa, pretty quick. Now we have the water balloon filled with water. We're going to put a flame to that one. Let's see what happens. Hold on, I'll put it over there. Nothing seems to happen. Let's try one more time, Ron. Put it over the flame. Put it one more time, Ron. Leave it there. Rock, did it bust?
No.
No? Do we know why? All right, we're going to go look in the book and explain why. Hold on. All right, so now we're back. We're going to read the explanation on why the water with the balloon in it did not burst like the water with the air. Rockwell's going to read the science behind the fun.
Water does more than quench our thirst. In fact, water makes up 60 to 79% of our body, plays an essential role in stabilizing our body temperature. Scientists define specific heat as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. The specific heat of water is higher than any other common substance, which allows water to absorb and release large quantities of heat with very little change in temperature. Thanks to its high specific heat, the water in your balloon is able to absorb the heat from the flame and the rubber doesn't melt. Imagine the balloon is a living cell, and you can see how the fluid in the cell helps keep safe when the temperature changes.
Good job, Rock. Well, there's your explanation. And that was today's science experiment.